In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan your computer for viruses or malware. So if you suspect that your computer or laptop contains a virus or malware, then it's probably a good idea to go and scan through all of our core Windows system files. So to do this, there's two methods. The first one is opening up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Windows Security and click on this option. Then select Virus and Threat Protection, and then click on Scan Options. Now, if you just want to go and perform a quick scan on your computer, then you can select this option and press Scan Now. If you want to go and perform a full in-depth scan of all of the files on your computer, then go and select Full Scan and press Scan Now. Now, as you can see, this can take over 1 hour, so it's a good idea just to leave this running in the background on your computer. Now, the only downside to using this tool is sometimes it can miss certain viruses and malware. So what you need to do just to ensure that your computer is protected and safe is we can open up an internet browser and type in Malwarebytes and press enter. Click on this top website here, malwarebytes.com, and this is a free application that you can download and use to scan for any viruses or malware. So go and press free download in the top right hand side and then click on the setup file from your downloads folder. Now you just need to run through the steps on the screen to go and install this onto your PC. Once it's finished installing, we can open up our Start menu and go and open up the Malwarebytes application. Now it should look something similar to this, so we're going to click on Scan next to Scanner. And this is going to perform a full in-depth scan of your system, and if any viruses are found, it's going to be detected in this field here, and you can go and repair them automatically using this tool. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.